Hi everyone, welcome back to Hashtag Network. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to set up and use an email account. If you don't already have a Google account, no worry, check out our previous video where I show you step by step how to create one. I will leave the link in the description and pin the comment below, so let's get started. Email, short for electronic mail, is a way to send and receive message online. It is used for communication, sharing file, and sign up for service. If you already set up your Google account, you are all ready to follow along. If you have a Google account, you already have access to Gmail. All you have to do is to open your browser and select at Google's app and choose Gmail. If you need help creating a Google account, I recommended you watching our previous video before continue. And if you not signing your account at any browser, also check at our previous video. It show you everything to enter credential and everything to create an email. To send email, click at compose, type the recipient email address, add the subject and write message. And if you need it, you can attach file like document or image by clicking at the paperclip icon. Once ready, click send. In your inbox, you will see all email you receive. Click on an email and reply it if you want, and click send. Also, you can check if your email is sent or not by clicking at the sent, and the all message you sent, it will appear. And at more option, there is a option like spam, trash. Spam is an email that contains some kind of malware. So if you have email at a spam, you need to delete it. You have to delete it or put it on trash. To stay safe, never click on link or open attachment from unknown sender. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you access your email on a public computer, always log out when you are done. Don't forget it to log out. It is for security. And that is for today's video. Now you know how to send up and manage your email account. In the next video, we will talk about managing file and folder in a cloud storage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you next time.